Ahmad Zahir, known as the Elvis of Afghanistan, was a highly influential Afghan singer, songwriter, and composer who blended Persian literature, Indian classical music, and Western pop and rock styles, primarily singing in Dari and some in Pashto. Ahmad Zahir is a legend for Afghanistan, for all generations. He is considered a musical icon in Afghanistan, remembered for his unique style and the lasting impact he had on Afghan music. He famously set poems by classic Persian poets like Rumi, Saadi, and Hafiz to music, enriching his songs with rich cultural and literary content. Zahir simplified the lyrical, compositional, and orchestral aspects of traditional Afghan music, making it more accessible and appealing to a wider audience, especially the youth. Despite his untimely death on his 33rd birthday, his music continues to be loved and cherished, with his songs still playing in Afghanistan today. His music increasingly revealed a political edge, with songs addressing poverty and injustice, resonating with the Afghan population during times of political turmoil. Zahir was one of the first Afghan musicians to tour extensively in neighboring countries, spreading his music and influence beyond Afghanistan. Zahir's music drew from Persian poetry as well as Indian classical styles, and it increasingly revealed a political edge, criticizing the Soviet-backed Marxist regime who had seized power in Afghanistan following a 1978 military coup. It was a dangerous time to be controversial. But as Afghanistan was undergoing a societal shift towards freedom of expression, the political winds were blowing in. America and the USSR were fighting a Cold War, and Afghanistan became the epicenter of the conflict. As more and more Afghans sided with the communists, Ahmad Zahir saw his country going down a dark path, and he spoke out through his music. His voice captured the spirit of the resistance. As a result, the communists blacklisted his music. He received death threats daily. On his 33rd birthday, 14th June 1979, the same day his daughter, Shabnam, was born, Ahmad Zahir was found dead in his car under mysterious circumstances. While the government media reports that he was killed in a car accident. Ahmad Zahir is a household name among Afghan Pashtun Iranians, Uzbeks and Tajiks of every age and tribe. He was a man who broke taboos, crossed borders, and inspired a generation to join the global community. His life has come to symbolize Afghanistan's golden era of peace and progress. Ahmad Zahir is a legend for Afghanistan, for all generations. The majority of his songs were in Dari followed by Pashto, with a few in Russian, Hindi and English. Ahmad Zahir explores the story of Afghanistan during its most promising decade and the role of its culture hero at the center of it all.